Alright, so this is how you separate the student shaft for the Jeep. So if you have a vise, you can do it in vise. If you don't have a vise, you're gonna have to improvise something out. But what you need is a torch and a hammer. Just heat it up. There's some plastic in there. You gotta hit it up to the point where it's almost melting. And by movie magic, ours is warm enough. There he goes. Alright, what we're trying to melt is this plastic part. You see there was a little tab in there. So now it's melted. Should be in and out for your Chevy modification. Alright, hope I helped you guys out. Have a good day. Almost forgot. Please support your local animal shelters. Right, Bear Bear? Right, laddie.